You know, on our wedding day, I waited for him for like an hour and a half in my dress.
Such a lie.
Don't you even! I sat there waiting for you while you were, I don't know what you were doing. Morning, guys. It is Tuesday, and you all know what Tuesday is. It's our team meeting on Tuesday. Ahmed, are you ready?
No.
I'm leaving without you.
I'm coming.
Do you guys see what I'm dealing with? Do you see what I'm dealing with? You take forever to get ready.
That's not true.
I'm always ready before him. Look at Ahmed running. Do you see him? He is running around the corner. That was hilarious. He's gonna miss his car. He's always late. Ahmed is so mad he missed his car.
That's what mad looks like, people.
Ahmed, I got video of you running. Look, we match. See? We're matching.
I know. I look way nicer than you, though.
No, you don't. All right, my car's here. I gotta go. It's sprint meeting time. They're on their way. And we're missing half the team. Get it together, peeps. 10 a.m. Tuesday morning. Alice is back! Oh my gosh, we missed out. Brittany clearly is dying.
She's like on me like a little.
Are we that bad for you?
Child. Like a sloth and its mother. Don't leave me again.
Also, Noor just told us the gender of her baby, and it's a huge secret, but we all yelled so loud and the whole office.
I was right about everything. I knew So she was was pregnant way before she knew.
So that was always right.
And I knew the sex way before anyone knew.
So we're gonna have a whole meeting talking about these vlogs. That's how much everyone just wants to be in this meeting to talk about the vlogs. Me and Erin are going through some solid chiffon colors that we need to stock up on and find exact matches for random colors we get so that we'll be able to stock them more regularly instead of them selling out so quickly. So we're trying to figure it out. Right, Erin?
Yes.
Giselle has been asleep all day. And then the notion that she needed to choose food for a vlog today because we're gonna be in the office tickled her so hard that she started smiling and laughing, and she's alive. I'm so excited. It's still only 5:30. We can't eat for another 3 hours, but we got our pieces of cake.
I like my ganache room temp,
Yes.
so I'm waiting so I can warm up.
Melanie, Giselle, and Ahmed are in a meeting right now, and they had ordered food for Iftar, and I just set it up for everybody. So Giselle had a special request. She wanted me to make Shea Bin-Leben, and I am notorious for making the best Shea Bin-Leben, which is tea with milk, and I'm the master. No.
Oh my gosh, I think I have one more minute, but look at this. Look at this.
Yes, look at this setup.
Spread. That was the best.
I love making everyone feel homey.
Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sam.
And this is their cake that they wanted to bring to room temperature.
Oh, I don't think Melanie knows that it's here.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is sticky rice and mango.
Oh, it's the best.
It's a very Asian thing.
Best.
Okay, moment of truth. Bismillah.
Oh my gosh, it's so good, Samuel. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Time to eat.
Oh. Big foot.
I'm so hungry.
Sasquatch is here. Hey. Where's the medjool?
Oh my gosh, there's no medjool.
Yeah, I know.
We have to break our fast on tea and cake.
Bismillah.
That's what you call me.
We need to make John first.
Okay. I'll make it with you tonight.
Make that
Sandra, thank you so much for doing
Oh,
that.
it's my pleasure.
You're literally the sweetest ever.
It's okay.
I'll reward you with the highest of
And
kindness.
me.
This was so sweet of you. Thank you, Sedla.
I don't know why you're thanking me. It was nothing.
No, it wasn't.
Why? Why does our cake say Alec on it?
Oh, real peeps know. The real peeps know why.
This is gonna be our last iftar in New York.
Oh my gosh, it is our last iftar together.
It's our last iftar together. And my heart is so full. It's crazy. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I'm overjoyed right now. I'm just so happy. My heart
I
is
just
like
love
full.
our team. I love our peeps, man.
Me too.
The best.
Me too. Ooh, got a fresh package. So exciting. Let's see what they sent me now. All right. Yes, black tea kombucha. I use this every single day. So this is gonna be my next fresh review. I'm excited. Rave reviews, love it, use it every day. Thanks, Fresh. And it is really late. It's like almost 1 and I have to pack for Detroit. We're leaving tomorrow really early. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear for Eid. I'm like going through all my skirts because I usually wear a skirt on Eid. I'm not a dress person, but I will wear a skirt, so I have no clue what I'm gonna wear or even what to pack. It's so late. All right, I'm gonna get this done and we'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning as we board our flight to Detroit. Can't wait to go home. Can't wait. All right, Ahmed, say bye.
Bye.
Bye guys, salam.